So we're having a late start today. It's 11:30 now, but that's okay. So we left from this beautiful camping and now we are trying to go to Loei. I found a route here in the middle, so we don't have to go to Montage. So we're gonna cut from here and we're gonna go to Loei. This was very beautiful here, actually, very tranquil, not too many people, really beautiful camping spot. They have a bungalow too that you can rent if you want. I did stay in the tent because I was just in front of the river, so I loved that. It was just very peaceful and the food was good. The owner are really nice. So yeah, I had some good time. I had some fun time there. I relaxed. I worked very much on my videos. We're gonna sleep in the town of Loei. Hopefully we find a hotel. And then we're going to go somewhere there. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I want to go camping somewhere, see how it's in Loei province. If okay, if I can, maybe we're gonna explore a little bit Loei province around. It should be very nice. I saw on the map they have a lot of waterfall and stuff like that, and I think they have 1 or 2 national parks. So let's see where we can go, and from there, I don't know, wherever the road takes us, right? Look how beautiful is this. I had to tape again. Look. Oh, so beautiful. Look at this. Water here on this side. Wait, I got to stop here 1 minute to show you because it's really nice. Look at this. Look how beautiful is all this here. And look on this side. Very nice. Oh, look how beautiful is this. Oh. Shame that we don't have the time. This is a temple that they build here around, and you go around the mountain. We may gonna have to come back here one day, sooner than later, and go look at this. Let me see if I can stop here 1 second and show you from here. Okay, here is an opening. Okay. There, if you look, I don't know if you can see. Let me stop this. I don't know if you can see. You see, you have temple and you have all bridges with wooden bridges, and you can walk there all around and go up and up and up. And it's very beautiful, actually. I have seen some picture very beautiful of this place. I don't know if you can see, there is people walking actually. And you see there is the first bridge like down, and then on top is another that goes that way. So yeah, we're gonna have to come here one day. We're going to have to come here one day and explore this place actually. Look how beautiful is this. We've been going through this now. Very nice. I love it. This is what I like. We've been just going through nature completely. A few villages here and there. Very nice, small villages. Every village that I've been passing, it smells that wood and the burning of the wood. You know, it's kind of reconnecting me to the nature, to what is nature practically. Okay guys, look how beautiful is this. Besides the garbage here, let's not look at the garbage, okay? Because we know people are just I don't understand why they do all this, dump everything. But look how beautiful is this. This is just magnificent, look. I don't know what else you can see from here, but I think this is just a place to rest and relax a little bit. Yeah, it's not so much to see here. It's all mountain. So here you can sit down and relax, practically. Look at this, what I found here. Just wait a second. Look at this. Alright, okay guys, look at this. Look at what I found. A little stream of water. That looks very nice. Little waterfall for us. Okay, it's man-made. Okay, it's not a waterfall, it's man-made. But look how beautiful it is. Come on. Nice, beautiful stream of water. Huh? It has to be nice. Can camp here, maybe. I don't think so, because we are just here. Maybe. Nah, it's gonna be hard to camp here, but it will be nice. And our bike is there. All right, okay. I thought to show you something that I just saw.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you
Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful is this. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous.
the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to peace.
Okay, so guys, we have to leave the hop in. That was the last hop for us. So we have no hotel until now. We no have fun, nothing. And I'm going to look by the next hotel. And let's see. But how they say in America, beggar cannot be chooser. All right, okay, this is the office. Let's go here. Let's go see.